Hello class, my name is Michael McCormick, and the career that I chose to talk about today, my presentation, is Computer Forensic Examiner. And the average salary per year for this job is around $85,000 per year. The job requirements: you have to be familiarized with operating systems, hardware, software, different like USBs, flash drives, laptops, PCs. You have to be familiar with programs that you use to do investigations, such as FTK Imager. Let's see. The roles and responsibilities for this position. The role for this position, Computer Forensic Examiner, is that you work with law enforcement on criminal cases. You investigate cell phones, laptops, computers for any type of data that can go towards the case and help solve it. With the programs that you can use in the digital lab, you can retrieve erased emails, text messages. You can get deleted pictures, and within those pictures you can find locations of where the picture was taken. All this, you basically take everything, analyze it, report it to law enforcement, and they use it to solve the case. And your main responsibility is to be an expert witness to the case and to present all the evidence, to help solve the case for the law enforcement. Educational requirements: it's basically to have a bachelor's degree, but it can be in different fields such as computer science, information technology, digital forensics. There's different ways you can go about it, and along with that bachelor's degree, you'll have to obtain a certificate. You have to become certified as a computer forensic examiner. In order to do that, you can either, after school, you can go into an internship, which I'm trying to do, and you have to work on a minimum of 10 cases in order to be qualified to take the exam. It has to be supervised, obviously, and during that time you're not able to go to court and testify until you're actually certified. Then you can do that. The physical requirements, depending on where you go, if you work for the government, if you go towards the local police, state police, you might have to go through the training academy for the physical, and then also firearms as well, be trained in that as well. But other jobs you can work for, I know someone that works for the post office, law offices, the DA office. The physical requirements, you don't have to go through training through an academy. You have to be able to lift at least 25 pounds, sit and stand for long periods of time. Application process and hiring process, depending on where you go. Once again, obviously if you go towards the FBI government, there's probably more interviews that you have to go through, more tests that you have to go through. If you go to like the DA and everything, or the local police, obviously references, background checks, the whole 9 yards, just like a normal hiring process, application process. And that's about it. That's the career I chose, Computer Forensic Examiner. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.
That was very good.